Hey everybody, I want to take a minute and walk you through the items that I need for you guys to complete for self-regional health care. Um, First of all, I want you guys to go to your website, go to your webpage and search selfregional.org. Here's the link right here at the top. So this is the website that you're going to go to. Once you go to this website, this is what the home page should look like. You're going to scroll down to the very, very bottom, and right here at the bottom, you'll see the link that says Team Member. You click on Team Member, and once you click on Team Member, this is the page that you're going to come to. So after clicking Team Member, you're going to click Education and Orientation Materials. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you up to another screen. So here at this screen, I'm going to scroll down so you can see. All students must complete the following. So you have a Chapter 1, a Chapter 2, Chapter 3, Chapter 4, and Chapter 5 module. So all of these modules must be completed. When you have completed and viewing the modules, you can print the completed pages. So I'll need those pages. After these modules are completed, you're going to come down and you're going to click each one of these links and you're going to print this. This is the Employment Confidentiality Agreement. So you're going to sign it. You're going to put your name and the date. Do not worry about your badge ID at this time because you don't have a badge. However, I'm working on getting y'all a badge, so it's very important that you guys complete this in a timely manner. I need this information ASAP. So click off of that, and then you'll go down to the next link. This is the Compliance and Integrity Program Agreement. So you're going to read this, and then you're going to check each item, and then you're going to print your name, your team member's signature and date, the supervisor's signature, that'll be myself, and the department is phlebotomy, P-H-L-E-B-O-T-O-M-Y. And then after you complete that form, you're going to go down and you're going to complete the badge request form. And so you're going to print this and complete it. You do not have an employee ID number at this time, but you will put your date of birth. You will put your preferred name. Under professional credentials, you're going to put phlebotomy, P-H-L-E-B-E-O-T-O-M-Y. Then your first name and your last name, and department again is phlebotomy. And then the company name, you can just put Piedmont Technical College. And then you're going to sign and date it. And so all of this, it's very important that you complete this. I've got to submit this over to Samika next week to work on getting y'all's badges to make sure you're ready to go for clinical on day 1 of class. So please complete each component of this self-regional part and get this submitted to me, if you don't mind, by Wednesday. Also, please refer to the email because there's other things that I will need to be completed and I will need for you guys to email to me as well. So read the email, watch this link, print this stuff, and scan it over to me as soon as you get it. Thank you. And